Welcome to Dose of Drawing. In this video, I will show you how to draw Beedrill. Like my other how to draw videos, I'm going to put a small image on the corner of the video as reference as we are drawing Beedrill. At the center of the page, I'm starting to begin to sketch out a circle for the head of Beedrill. Towards the side of the circle, I'm drawing a diagonal line towards the middle, and on the other side, I'm drawing another line to connect it to create the mouth of Beedrill. At this part, I just speed up the video to erase the line, but next we're going to start drawing the eyes. As you can see, starting on the left side, I'm drawing a curved line, and on the other side of the head, I'm drawing another curved line, connecting it together to make an almond shape. Alright, once we're done drawing that eye, we're gonna give a little space in between and draw the next eye. So starting from the bottom, I'm drawing a curved line going up and curving it sideways, going down and connecting it together. Once we're done drawing the eyes of Beedrill, we're moving on next to draw the antennas. Starting a little above the left eye, we're going to start drawing the left antenna. So as you can see, I just drew two small lines and I drew another line creating a rectangle shape and connecting it together. It looks like a sideways 7 or an L. Now moving on this side, we're drawing the other antenna. So draw a straight line and draw another line next to it, and the same thing that we did with the first antenna, draw another rectangle shape. Moving towards the bottom of the mouth of Beedrill, we're going to start drawing a small curved line, and next to the eye, the right eye, we're going to start drawing another curve and filling it in to draw the first part of the body of Beedrill. As you can see, I filled in the two curved lines that we just made into a small circle. Now starting over here, I'm drawing another curved line, but this time it's going to be the bottom part of Beedrill body, and on this side over here I'm drawing another curved line, and after that, once I draw those two curved lines, I'm going to connect it together to draw a circle. Okay, once we're done drawing the bottom part of Beedrill, I'm starting to draw the stinger on the bottom, so I just drew two lines connecting it together to make it into a triangle. And right over here, I'm drawing a small curved line connecting it together. I made a quick adjustment of the camera position just to have a better view of drawing the arm for Beedrill. As you can see right here, I drew one line and a little space between it, I'm drawing another line. The first line we drew, I'm going to extend it and draw it towards the left side in an angle. Once I drew the arm of Beedrill, I'm drawing a small curved line around the arm. On the top over here, I'm drawing a diagonal line straight like this. After that, I'm moving towards the bottom and drawing another straight line, and I don't have enough room, so I just stop right here, but if you have enough room on your paper, you can connect it together. I just made another quick adjustment of the camera to draw the next arm for Beedrill. Right here, a little space away from the head of Beedrill, I'm drawing a curved line. And after that, on the bottom, I'm drawing a straight line, and on the top, I'm doing the same as well. Right here, I'm curving the line a little bit to create the elbow of Beedrill, and after that, drawing the line straight and filling in the arm. From here, I'm drawing a curved line for the stinger of Beedrill's arms, and on this side, on the right side, I'm curving out a little bit and drawing a diagonal line going down, and after that, on the other side, I'm also doing another diagonal line going down to finish it off by creating a point. Once we're done drawing that arm of Beedrill, we're going to start from this side over here and drawing a straight line, and after that, just a little above, we're drawing another line. On this bottom line, I'm going to draw a diagonal line going straight down, just like this, and on the top line, doing the same thing, drawing it straight down into a diagonal line to the body. From the bottom right here, I'm drawing a straight line and curving it down, and another line just like this to make the feet. After we're done drawing that leg, it's time to draw the other leg. So I just drew a curved line and draw two lines to the point of the stinger, and on this side over here, I'm drawing a straight line, and a little space in between, I'm drawing another straight line and curving it out to make the feet. The feet could be shaped like a triangle with a little point at the end. I should have said this earlier in the video, but at any time in the video you can pause it to follow along step by step. Once we're done drawing the legs of Beedrill, we're going to start drawing the stripes for Beedrill's body. Starting on the left side of the bottom part of Beedrill's body, I'm drawing a curved line going down. Giving a little space at the bottom, I'm drawing another curved line going down. After we're done drawing the first stripe, it's time to draw the next stripe. So same like before, we're drawing another curved line going down and giving space to draw another curved line going down as well. Now we're moving on to draw the wings. Right above the head near the antenna, I'm drawing a straight line and curving it out. As you can see, I'm curving it out to the stinger of Beedrill's hand. After that, I'm going to draw another line going down. Just imagine that line going straight down and now curving it out towards the body of Beedrill. After that, I'm drawing the second wing of Beedrill, so just a little curve from here, and after that, curving it out towards the leg. Now moving over here, we're starting to draw the second wing. From this corner, I'm drawing a straight line going up and curving it out just a little bit to form the shape of Beedrill's wing. As you can see right here, I'm drawing a slightly curved line going down and curving it towards Beedrill's body. After that, we're gonna start drawing the second part of the wing. So right over here, we're gonna start drawing a curved line going inwards towards the body. We're almost done drawing Beedrill. All we need to do now is just to draw the details inside the wing. For drawing the details of Beedrill's wings, I kinda just freestyle it. So I looked at the reference at Beedrill and I just started lines that are not close together, but I connected some just to make it look a little bit just like the picture that you see on the corner of the video. So you can do the same thing like me, or you can just freestyle it. As you can see right here, I drew a straight line and drew a line diagonally and connecting it together with another straight line. That's one example that I did for the details for Beedrill's wing. After drawing the details of this last wing, you're going to be all done drawing Beedrill. For this wing, I just drew a straight line and one line going down and another line going straight. For the rest of the part of the video, I'm going to show you a time lapse of me doing an outline and coloring Beedrill.